We had the desire to make some fresh tater tots today. Let's show you how we're going to make them. Super simple, just takes a little bit of time. In the pot here, we're going to have some water. To that, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of salt. And we're going to add 2 pounds of Yukon Gold potatoes. We wanted enough water in there to make sure that there's about 1 inch of water above the potatoes. And all of our potatoes are about the same size. We're going to bring this to a boil, then we're going to reduce it to simmer, and then we're going to let it simmer for roughly 5 to 6 minutes. We're not cooking the entire potato, we just want to kind of give it a parboil. After our potatoes have become cooked, we're going to take these and we're going to drain them. And then we want to set them out, let them dry, and let them cool completely. Once our potatoes have become chilled, we're just going to take that same bowl and we're going to grate them on our grater. Once you get that all done, we really don't want a lot of moisture in here, and we were pretty lucky not having it in ours. If you do have a lot of moisture, you want to make sure that you take either a cheesecloth or some paper towels or a towel and get rid of all the extra that you can. As you can tell with ours, there's really nothing. It's pretty much dry. That's why you kind of want to take them right out of the water as soon as they are finished parboiling. And they're going to have just a little bit of firmness to them as well whenever you're grating them, because you don't want them cooked all the way. All right, now to that we're going to add 1 tablespoon of flour, 1/4 a teaspoon of dill, 1/4 a teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 1/4 a teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 a teaspoon of salt, and we're just going to mix that all together. Once you've got all of your mixture together, we're going to take about 1 tablespoon and we're just going to kind of form that into a tot shape. The mixture is going to be a little bit on the drier side because you don't want it wet. And we're just going to go ahead and finish forming this all into tots. Alright, we've heated some oil. We got about 2 inches there, so we've heated that to, it's vegetable oil, we've heated it to 360 degrees. We're now going to drop our tater tot slowly in. I'm just going to use the basket because I don't want to. And we're going to fry these until they're nice and golden brown. Alright, that takes absolutely no time. As you can tell, they become nice and golden brown. We're going to put them on a sheet pan here with some paper towels. I don't know if Mom got there or not, but she's trying to help me there. And we're going to go ahead and finish cooking the rest of our tater tots. Alright, we have finished our tater tots. Look at that. They're all nice and golden brown. We have taste tested a couple of them and they are delicious. Take a moment to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.